Hello friends, welcome back to Multi Question World. Today we are going to discuss Lab Technician Grade 2 exam answer key. Question number 1. Basophilia is common in allergy and CML. So the right answer is option D, both A and B. Next question. Legal's test is done in detection of. The right answer is option C, ketone bodies. Next question. Which of the following is the most easiest and most common form of urine preservation? Right answer is option D, refrigeration. Next one. All of the following can cause xanthochromia in CSF except. The right answer is option D, erythrocytes from traumatic tap. Erythrocytes from traumatic tap will not cause xanthochromia. Next one. Synovial fluid contains. Right answer option C, hyaluronic acid. Next one. Fructose in seminal fluid assist in the evaluation of which of the following? The right answer is option B. 1 and 2 are correct. The secretory function of seminal vesicle and the functional integrity of vas deferens. Next one. Chemical used to prevent caramelization of glucose in CPDA solution. The right answer is option A, citric acid. Okay. Next one. The locus of genes of ABO system in chromosome number 9. The right answer is option B, chromosome 9. Next one. Iron overload due to multiple transfusion is called. The right answer is option A, hemosiderosis. Next one. Shelf life of platelet is. Right answer option C, 5 to 7 days. Next one. Which among the following is not a transfusion transmitted disease? The right answer option C, typhoid. Next one. Stain used for malaria survey. The right answer is option B, field stain. Next one. Hemoglobin formation starts in which stage of RBC formation? The right answer is option B, polychromatic normoblast. Next one. Neutrophil lobe counting is called. The right answer is option A, Arnath count. Next one. Interleukins are secreted by. Interleukins are secreted by T cells, dendritic cells and macrophages. So the right answer is option D, all of these. Next one. Stain used for hormonal cytology. Right answer option A, Shore stain. Next one. Sacchomonas solution is used for. The right answer is option B, prefixation. Commonly used fixative in cytology. Right answer option A, 95% ethyl alcohol. Next one. The oil red dye stain is used for the demonstration of. Right answer option B, fat. Next one. Father of exfoliative cytology. Right answer option C, Georgian Papanicolaou. Next one. Inactivated X chromosome in epithelial cell is called. The right answer is option B, Barr body. Next one. The interchange of transfer of chromosome segments between two non-homologous chromosomes is defined as. The right answer is option A, translocation. Next one. Karyotype of Klinefelter syndrome. Right answer option C, 47XXY. Next one. A chromosome in which the centromere is located at one end is called. The right answer is option D, telocentric. Next one. A technique used to detect and locate specific DNA sequencing on a chromosome. The right answer is option A, FISH. Next one. Breakdown of tissue by bacterial action is called. The right answer option B, putrefaction. Next one. The type of knife designed for cutting frozen sections. The right answer is option B, plain wedge. Next one, an example of mercury containing fixative. Right answer option A, Zenger's solution. Next one, PAS technique is used for the demonstration of. The right answer option C, glycogen. Next one, an example for aqueous mounting media. The right answer is option B, Epathes medium. Next one, the special staining technique used to demonstrate volutin granules. The right answer is option B, Albert stain. Next one, the sterilization method used for rapid destroyal of soil dressing, bedding and pathological material. The right answer is option D, incineration. Next one, the following statements are true regarding Koch's postulates. The bacterium should be constantly associated with the lesion of the disease. The bacterium can be isolated in pure culture from the lesion. The inoculation of such pure culture into lab animals should produce a lesion of the disease. The bacterium can be re-isolated in pure culture from the lesion of the lab animals. The all four statements are true about Koch postulates. They are collectively called as Koch postulates. So the right answer is option D. Next one. LJ media is sterilized at a temperature of. The right answer option A, 80 to 85 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes on 3 successive days. Next one. Naegleria is a free-living amoeba found in fresh water, mud and moist soil. Identify the disease caused by it. The right answer is option D, primary amoebic meningoencephalitis. Next question. Clinical manifestation of falciparum malaria occurring in previously infected subjects characterized by sudden intravascular hemolysis followed by fever and hemoglobinuria. The right answer is option A, black water fever. Next one, the distinctive features of the eggs of Trichuris trichura are. The right answer, bile state, barrel shaped with mucus plug at each pole, contains unsegmented ovum. So, the right answer is option A. Next one, the eggs of Enrobis vermicularis are collected from the perianal skin using. The right answer is NIH swab. Next one, the large or giant intestinal fluke. The right answer is option A, Phaseolopsis buski. Next one, the causative agent of amoebic dysentery. The right answer is Entamoeba histolytica. Okay, next one, the microscope which uses reflected light as light source to improve the contrast for viewing the object. The right answer is option C, dark field microscope. Next one, which of the following is a transport media? The right answer is option B, Schwartz medium. Next one, which one of the following method is used to detect minimum inhibitory concentration? The right answer is option A, tube dilution method. Next one, what is the color of colonies of Staphylococcus aureus on nutrient agar? The right answer is option D, yellow. Next one, an indicator medium used for the diagnosis of urinary tract infection. The right answer is option C, McConkie agar. Next one, what is true about fungi? The right answer is option B, eukaryotic organism. Next one, one of the routine microscopic laboratory identification methods of fungal specimen is done by using. The right answer is option C, 10% KOH. Next one, which one of the following special medium is used to isolate fungi? The right answer is option A, SDA or sabodextrose agar. Next one, technique used to study intact fungal morphology. The right answer is option D, slide culture technique. Next one, which of the following dimorphic fungi is medically important human pathogen that can cause severe respiratory infection? The right answer is option B, Histoplasma capsulatum. Next one, sulfur granules are characteristically present in infection by. The right answer is option C, Actinomyces israeli. Next question, which of the following is not an RNA virus? The right answer is option A, adenovirus. All the others are RNA viruses. Next one, viruses can be cultured in all except. The right answer is option C, blood agar. Viruses cannot be cultured in an inanimate medium. So, right answer is blood agar. Next one, which of the following method is used for the detection of viral DNA? Right answer, option B, southern blotting. Next one, inclusion body produced by rabies virus. Right answer is option D, Negri body. Next one, Dane particle is complete hepatitis B virion. Right answer, option B. Next one, Paul Bunnell test is a screening test for. The right answer is option A, infectious mononucleosis. Next question, an example of anaerobic culture medium. The right answer is option D, thioglycolate broth. Next one, liquid paraffin can be sterilized by. The right answer is option B, hot air oven. Next question, cold agglutination test is a serological test for. The right answer is option C, mycoplasma. Next one, facility of auto dilution is available in which type of autoanalyzer? The right answer is option B, random access analyzer. Next question, during blood gas analysis, measured PCO2 of the sample is found to be increased when. The right answer is option C, if there is a delay in measurement. Next one, most frequently used technique for measuring osmolality of clinical samples. The right answer is option A, freezing point depression. Next question, which of the following is not used as an adsorbent in thin layer chromatography? The right answer is option D, Sephadex. Sephadex is not used in thin layer chromatography. Next question, the liquid that can be used for calibration of small volume pipettes. The right answer is option A, mercury. Next one, as per standard waste disposal procedure, non-biodegradable trash should be discarded. Here, the answer as per the PSC answer key, it is given as option C, black colored bags, but it is not correct. The right answer is option B, red colored bags. Non-biodegradable trash are disposed in red colored bags. Next question, test for which of the following parameters can be monitored with delta checks? The right answer is option D, total protein. Next question, the SI unit of expressing serum bilirubin is. SI unit is option A, micromoles per liter. Next question, the anticoagulant that does not interfere with alkaline phosphatase activity in a blood sample. The right answer is option B, heparin. Heparin do not interfere with alkaline phosphatase activity. Next question, technique that can be used to detect and measure radioactivity. All the given options are true. So the right answer is option D, all of the above. Autoradiography, gas ionization detectors and scintillation counter are used for measuring radioactivity. Next one, what is the coefficient of variation if standard deviation is plus or minus 5 and mean is 30? The right answer is option A, 16.7%. Next question, according to the hazard certification system developed by National Fire Protection Association, red diamond in the diamond symbol of chemical label represents. The right answer is option C, flammability hazard. Next one, type 3 reagent grade water can be used for. Type 3 reagent grade water can be used for glassware washing and qualitative tests. Next one, which of the following indicates poor training of a laboratory personnel? Here we have 4 options: delay in issue of result, frequent damage to equipment, greater incidence of lab acquired infection. All these are true about a poor training of laboratory personnel. So the right answer is option D, all of the above. Next one, locating agent used in paper chromatography for separation of carbohydrates. The right answer is option D, PABA. PABA. The test for which of the following parameters show an increased value in a hemolyzed sample? The right answer is option D, all of the above. Lactate dehydrogenase, potassium and aspartate aminotransferase will increase in a hemolyzed sample. Right answer option D. Next one, what is the normality of 1 molar solution of H3PO4? The right answer is option C, 3 normal. Next question, in a spectrophotometer, the light source used for the measurement in a visible portion of spectrum. In visible portion of spectrum, the spectrophotometer use tungsten light bulb. The right answer is option A. Next question, which of the following is true about laboratory glassware? New glassware should be soaked in 1% sodium hydroxide. When glassware has been contaminated with material that is very difficult to remove, it is treated with chromic acid solution. Volumetric type of glassware is dried in hot air oven. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is option B. When glassware has been contaminated with material that is very difficult to remove, it is treated with chromic acid solution. This is the only statement true about laboratory glassware. Next one, which of the following is not a urine preservative? The right answer is option C, phenol. Next one, the most common type of urinary calculi is made of. The right answer is option A, calcium and oxalate. The immunoglobulin which rises in hypersensitivity conditions. The right answer is option A, IgE. Next question, hematuria is. The right answer is option B, presence of blood in urine is hematuria. Next question, which type of WBC acts as scavengers when they engulf and digest pathogen? The right answer is option A, macrophages. Next question, the hormone which lowers calcium levels in plasma. The right answer is option B, calcitonin. Next question, the end product of protein metabolism. The right answer is option A, urea. Next one, conversion of glycogen to glucose is called. Conversion of glycogen to glucose is glycogenolysis. Right answer option B. Next one, electrophoresis is a separation technique mainly based on. The right answer is option B, charge of particles. Next question, in allergic conditions we commonly find an increase of. The right answer option C, eosinophils. One of the following is a pancreatic enzyme. The right answer is option B, amylase. Next question, programmed cell death can be termed as. The right answer is option C, apoptosis. Next question, a PCR cycle consists of. The right answer is option C, 3 steps: denaturation, primer annealing and elongation. Question, PSA or prostate specific antigen, it is associated with which of the following options? The right answer is option C, used to screen prostate cancer. Next one, the waste product of muscle metabolism which is excreted into urine. The right answer is option B, creatinine. Next one, the primary energy source of brain. Right answer option B, glucose. Next one, in hemolytic crisis, bilirubin level is. The right answer is option B, increased. Next one, the fraction of CPK or creatine phosphokinase is most abundant in. The right answer is option A, skeletal muscle. Next one, alkaline phosphatase is a dash enzyme. Liver enzyme, bone enzyme and placental enzyme. So, right answer option D, all of the above. Next one, fixation of specific gravity of urine to 1.010, that is isosthenic pH. It is found in, the right answer is option D, chronic glomerulonephritis. The last question, synovial fluid is a body fluid found in. The right answer is option C, joints. So today we are winding up. You can watch the previous videos from playlist, and if you are not subscribing the channel, please do subscribe. Thank you.